Welcome to our guide on how to remove a chat group photo on X, Twitter, on PC. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Open X on your PC to access your Twitter account. Step 2. On the left side of the page, click on Messages to view your direct message conversations. Step 3. In the address box, enter the name of the group whose photo you want to remove. Step 4. Click on the specific group from the list of conversations to enter the group chat. Step 5. Within the group conversation, locate and click on the information icon to access the conversation settings. Step 6. On the group info page, click the More icon to reveal a drop-down menu and choose Remove Photo to delete the group's current photo. By following these steps, you can easily remove a chat group photo on X, Twitter, using your PC, allowing you to customize and update the visuals of your group conversations. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to remove a chat group photo on X, Twitter, on PC. Enjoy managing your group chats and ensuring a personalized experience by removing group photos to maintain a clean and updated appearance.